So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your grey.
First homeowners, tradies, boy am I excited for you guys today. Look behind me, I've got a home in Engadine, which is one of the best value suburbs in the Sutherland Shire without question. It's got a huge double car garage and it's got a heap of space underneath it for workshop or storing your tools. And upstairs we've got a beautiful 3-bedroom home with bush views, placed perfectly in Engadine. It's number 1 Alpine place.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your grey. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside.
There is no doubt that Engadine is one of the best value suburbs in the Shire. It has so many amenities. It's got Service New South Wales, Coles, Woolworths, Audi, Dan Murphy's. It's just got the lot.
Never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away.
Well, there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed viewing our cinematic open home. I'm Cooper Bowen.
I'm Jeff Luby, enjoying life and absolutely loving real estate.
The future is now.